Can you talk to us about what having an engineering background makes you solutions oriented and why
Yeah.
sometimes that might not always be a good thing?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, as engineers, we typically want to come up with things that are answers. We want to build stuff. We want to solve problems. We want to come with solutions. And often that's why we became engineers, and that's why we've become good engineers. And that's often what gets us promoted, at least initially in the career. You become a senior engineer because you come up with more solutions, right? And you become a manager if you're good at solving problems with solutions. And the problem that we run into is that, as you start going up the ladder, either on the IC track, you start becoming like a staff engineer, principal engineer, you're becoming like a senior manager, director, a VP. Coming up with great solutions is no longer what is the most valuable thing. The valuable thing is getting the problem right. And I don't know how many of you might have had that experience where you built some amazing platform and it's great. And you're like, this solves everyone's needs. Here we are. We've got this lovely thing. And then no one wants to use it. I mean, this is particularly common in internal tools. I've heard just so many stories of people that come up with like a great solution. Like, here are wonderful developer environments. Everyone's using them, right? And it's like, no, they're still just going to like ping that one person that they know that helps them, Oh, you need to change a config, right? Well, here's a great, easy way to do that. There's like a little GUI. Do people do it? No, they don't. And the problem here is that you haven't understood the problem. And so it's a little bit tricky when you are trained and rewarded for coming up with clever solutions. And then suddenly you get promoted. You're a team lead, you're a manager, you're a staff engineer, whatever it is. And suddenly solutions don't actually matter all that much. Like maybe the solution is like a Google form or like something really random, or maybe anyone can do the solution. And like the thing that you need to do is define the problem that you need to solve. And that is a skill. And the problem that we have as an industry is it's a skill. It's a skill that we do not train. And it's a skill that we usually don't tell people that they need. So I'm here to say that you need to get better. I don't know who you are, but I know this about you. You need to get better at defining the problem space. So you must know that. And then secondly, that's a skill to build. So you should build that.